Today I would like to talk about how to help a beginner to memorize the fingering of a scale easier and make it a little bit more fun. And I'm sure a lot of you teachers out there, when you're teaching a scale, when the student is doing one hand, right hand and left hand, when they're doing hands separately, it's actually not that hard. But it's when they're putting hands together, then the students start to get confused and they don't know what finger goes with what finger, and so it's a disaster, right? And so recently I have been doing a game, and it makes playing scales really fun for them, and it also helps them memorize the fingering. And at first it can be confusing, but once a child gets it, they really get it. And so let me demonstrate what I mean by that. So first of all, let's talk about the structure of a scale. We're going to use C major. So for C major, we have the right hand, the thumb, and then the left hand, the fifth finger, right? So I call this a combination, okay? One, right hand one with left hand five. And then the second combination is 2 and 4. So right hand 2, left hand 4. And then we have the third finger, the same. And then the next combination is 1 and 2. That's it. So there are four combinations. There are four combinations in a scale. So 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3 and 3, 1 and 2. That's it. What happens after that? It's just the reverse version of it. So you see here, right here, 1 and 2. And then the next pattern is 2 and 1. Essentially it's 1 and 2, but it switches, right? 2 and 1. And then back to 3 and 3. And 4, 2. And then 1, 5. So basically if you master the combinations of 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, you basically got the scales. And so after you understand the structure of a scale, the next thing you need to do is to find two things that really go well together. So for example, 1 and 5, I would use chocolate marshmallow, right? Because you use chocolate, marshmallow, and crackers to make s'more, right? So I would say chocolate marshmallow. And then that's 1 and 5. And then 2 and 4, I would say something maybe like strawberry goes well with vanilla. I mean, you can please correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like strawberry and vanilla go pretty well to each other, right? With each other. So 1, 5, 2, 4. So chocolate marshmallow. I have the students say the names of things that go well together. Chocolate marshmallow, strawberry vanilla. Now, since 3, they're the same, so we're just gonna say one thing, and banana, right? Banana. And then for 1 and 2, I would say peanut butter jelly. Okay, and then for here, since I'm going from 1 to 2 to 2 and 1, so I'm gonna switch it. Instead of saying peanut butter and jelly, I say jelly peanut butter. Back to banana. And then strawberry and vanilla, and then chocolate and marshmallow. And going down, I'll have them say strawberry vanilla, banana, peanut butter jelly, a jelly peanut butter, and then a banana again, strawberry vanilla, and then chocolate marshmallow. Now, it might seem very overwhelming at first, but I have been using this game for with a lot of my students, and it makes it so much more interesting for them. And instead of asking them, okay, make sure this is 1 and 5, 2 and 4, like you have already lost them. Okay, if you're trying to tell them 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3. But I think if you're trying to use things that they can relate to, it will really help them memorize the fingering. So I encourage you to try this and let me know if it really works or not. And but for me personally, in my studio, it has been a game changer in terms of memorizing the scale fingering. And you can even make a game. It's you competing with the students, see who can finish the 1 octave scale faster. while you need to recite the names of things that go well together. All right, so that is how I help my students memorize their fingering in a really fun way. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.